Hello kid, still with Mr. Mulyadi. This time I'm gonna show you how to draw the vehicle, the tank for Independence Day. Look, you draw two lines, after that you join it, the side, right and left, and then you double it like this, okay? And then you draw circle. You have to draw carefully and nice, okay? Don't do in hurry, just like what I do. Okay, look. Okay, and then draw the other circle inside. Okay. Now let's draw the body and draw the upper part here. And draw the okay. Okay, here I want to add some army. Okay, just letter U. Okay. And eyes, nose and mouth, ear, just shoulder and body, just like that. Okay, decorate it and then draw the road. Okay, here, and then you can draw the background. You can add the tree or the building over there. It's up to you. Okay, yeah, I just want to add some cloud over there. Okay, I think this is done. Let's color now. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to color properly. Okay, you have to color inside shortly like this. Okay. Okay, now I want to color the body. See, color the side first. Okay, color the side first. After that you can color inside easily. That's easy, right? Okay, now I'm gonna tell you again. When you color the side first, boundary the line first. Look, boundary the shape first. Look. Okay, get it? Now I color inside easily one direction because the shape of the leaf is curved, so I do curvy like this. Look. Okay, yeah? Okay, I think you understand already. Now time to do time lapse.